First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, today we continue with that almost unbroken pattern of the daily chance that somebody in our viewing area will get a shower and maybe even a nice downpour or a thunderstorm. But not everybody's going to see that. And this morning, not everybody's getting wet, but we do see one little shower that has popped up within the last few minutes up there at the intersection of the Western Kentucky Parkway, which runs, of course, east of the Madisonville area. And then as it goes west, it becomes Interstate 69 and up through the Madisonville area. And it's right around Morton's Gap, Nortonville, where there's a little light shower that's occurring there along US 62 as well. And this was an area yesterday that also saw some pretty decent thunderstorm activity last evening. And now you're getting another shower this morning. Evidence of a lot of low-level moisture. And once the sun comes up, we're probably going to see more of these scattered across the viewing area as we go through the day. Now, here's a look at the air quality. We haven't showed you this in a while, but I wanted to show you this today because we do have a predominant pollen I guess a particulate, and it's ragweed, more ragweed than just grass, and that is the problem in the moderate high category. That's why a lot of you, including myself, occasionally doing a lot of sneezing and wheezing and sinusitis and stuff. The ragweeds are coming up and will probably stay up during the next coming weeks as we're getting into that time of year. Here's a look at temperatures right now across the area. Mesonet network showing mid to upper 60s and even a few low 70s out there this morning with a mainly clear sky over Bowling Green, a few high clouds off in the distance. And our current temperature is at 70 degrees, a light southeast wind and a steady barometer at 30.13. Here's a few of our AAA Systems weather cams. We go to Hart County and Munfordville, 65 degrees and mainly clear there. Franklin seeing a partly cloudy sky, 70 degrees in Simpson County. Seeing a layer of fog, though, at the Mammoth Cave National Park webcam. Temperature is at 68 degrees. Jamestown Marina, Lake Cumberland, you're seeing a partly cloudy start and 68 degrees. 72 is the reading right now. The Bowling Green Airport, that's 3 degrees warmer than in the 6 o'clock half hour yesterday when we saw those scattered showers and thunderstorms across the area. We saw a few yesterday morning. Then they became more numerous and more widespread as we got into the afternoon. That could happen again today as we have instability settling in over the area. And we have an approaching cold front, too, that's way off to the north. Even though high pressure is in control, it's still got a lot of moisture surrounding it at the low levels. So anytime, any place today, we could see those showers popping up across the area. After sunset, everything fades away. We lose the daytime heating, and therefore the storms fall apart. But then they could refire tomorrow, especially with the advent of that front dipping southward. This is not a very strong frontal boundary, but it may be enough to touch off an isolated or widely scattered shower tomorrow afternoon. Partly sunny today, scattered shower chance, and 86. Tonight down to 67 with a chance of an evening shower, then becoming partly cloudy. Tomorrow, 87 with a continued 20% chance that you will see a shower. Same goes for Friday at 88. And then as we get into the weekend, no mention of rain in the forecast for several days. That's a big change for us because it's been almost rainy for a while here, almost every single day. But there's a 4-day stretch of nothing but sunshine and more summer-like conditions with highs close to 90 degrees.